The day in the life of a clinic student in the child advocacy clinic is to interview children, to get to know them, to understand all of the trauma that led to their abuse, their abandonment, or the neglect from their family members, to understand how it is that they got involved in the juvenile justice system. And only after completely understanding the life of their child client can they then move on to successfully advocate for them. And that advocacy includes filing motions, arguing motions, trying both felonies and misdemeanors, advocating for youth in dependency court by asking the judge to change custody or to put them in a different school, or even to have them get braces paid for by the Department of Children and Families. The idea is to have one attorney represent juveniles, children, that cross over between juvenile delinquency and juvenile dependency. By having one attorney, the child is more likely to bond with that adult, is more likely to communicate with that adult, and that one adult is more likely to be able to provide them all of the legal services that they need. Participating in the child advocacy clinic will help a student build the skill of communicating with a client. If you can communicate successfully with a teenager, you're going to be able to communicate with an adult or with a corporation or with a trust when you become an attorney.
There's nothing about juvenile court that I wasn't exposed to by my clinical professors at the time in terms of dealing with the children and the little intricacies of juvenile court.
Other skills that you learn are how to try a case. In juvenile court, cases move quickly. You're trying a case within a month or two, and you need to be able to prepare for that trial in a very quick period of time. And so you will hone the skills of being able to prepare your case quickly, to prepare your case consistently, and to be able to prepare yourself successfully.
My clinical supervising attorney really pushed me out there, so I began to speak in front of the court and write motions. For all interested students, I would tell them to do it. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. The information is valuable, especially dealing with children.